हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन. शो दैट द रिलेशन R in the set A equal to x belongs to whole number and x lies between 0 to 17 given by R equal to AB such that mod A minus B is multiple of 5 are equivalence relations. Find the set of all elements related to 2 in each case. Key concept: if a relation R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive in the set A, then R is equivalence relation on A. Let's see the solution. Set A is given as x belongs to whole number such that x lies between 0 to 70, and relation R is given by A is related to B such that mod A minus B is a multiple of 5. Then we have to show that R is an equivalence relation. So we will prove R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive on the given set A. Reflexivity. Let A belongs to set A, then clearly mod A minus A equal to 0, which is a multiple of 5, which is a multiple of 5, that is A belongs to R for all A belongs to A. Therefore R is reflexive. अब हम प्रूफ करेंगे R सिमेट्रिक भी है, सिमेट्रिक. Let AB belongs to R implies mod A minus B is a multiple of 5, implies mod B minus A is also a multiple of 5, implies BA belongs to R. This shows R is reflexive. R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Transitive. Let AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R. Implies mod A minus B is multiple of 5 and mod B minus C is multiple of 5. This implies mod A minus B plus B minus C, that is mod A minus C is a multiple of 5. This implies AC belongs to R. Therefore R is transitive. Since R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive on A, therefore R is an equivalence relation on set A. तो ये प्रूफ हो गया कि R क्या है, एक इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन है सेट A में. अब हमें क्या निकालना है? फाइंड द सेट ऑफ ऑल एलिमेंट्स रिलेटेड टू 2 इन ईच केस. और कौन से एलिमेंट 2 से रिलेटेड है वो अब हमें फाइंड करना है. तो 0 से 17 में जो एलिमेंट 2 से रिलेटेड है हम उसे फाइंड करेंगे. नाउ द एलिमेंट्स रिलेटेड टू 2 be x, then x minus 2 is multiple of 5. Therefore the set will be, let the set be set of those elements which are related to 2 by the given relation 2, 7, 12, 17. These elements are related to 2 by the given relation. I hope you understand it well. Thank you.